Hello children, welcome back to the video tutorial class. Today I am going to start with new chapter 10, plants. As we all know children, plants are living things. Plants are very important for us. Why? Because plants provide us with oxygen, provide us with fruits, vegetables and shelter. Plants are of different types. They grow everywhere. Some grow on land, some grow in water, some grow in desert. So there are different types of plants. Plants can be tall, plants can be short. Some plants are hard, some plants are soft. So in this video, I am going to explain you about plants. Plants that grow on land. They are trees, climbers, creepers, herbs and shrubs. And some plants that grow in water are like water hyacinth, water lily and lotus. I am also going to explain you about the parts of plant and their function. Parts of plants like roots, stem, flowers, leaves, fruits and their function. I hope children you all are sitting with your books. So just watch this video and go through all these points again. Okay, then you will be able to understand. I have put some pictures which will help you to understand all these topics. Okay, so just I wanted you to sit with your books and open page number 63. Just open page number 63 children. It's about the plant. Plants and trees around us. Plants are a green friend. Just now I told you because they are very useful to us. We can see different types of plants everywhere. They vary in size, shape and color. Plants are living things. They need air, water, sunlight for growth. Most plants grow from seeds. They grow everywhere on land and water. They provide food and shelter for man, animals and birds. So today I am going to explain you about types of plants. Plants that grow on land, just now I told you, and the plants that grow in water. So children, just be with your books. Children, we all know that plants are living things. We can see different types of plant everywhere. Some are big, some are small, some are soft and some are hard. So today in this chapter, I am going to talk about types of plant. Plants, they grow everywhere on land and water. Plants that grow on land. Which are the plants that grow on land? They are tree, herb, shrub, climber and creepers. As here you can see the pictures. The first topic which I am going to talk about is about tree. Tree. A tree is a big, tall and strong plant. A tree has a thick, brown and woody stem called a trunk. It lives for many years. For example, coconut tree, ashoka tree, neem tree, mango tree and banyan tree. All these trees are big, tall and strong. Like banyan tree can live for many years. Neem tree, mango tree, they all are brown and have woody stem that is called a trunk. Shrubs. Our next topic is about shrubs. They are small plants with many thin brown woody stems. Their branches grow close to the ground because they are small. They are also called bushes. Now children, here are the example of shrubs like rose, hibiscus, jasmine, tomato and cotton. Now children, here as you can see the images of mint, spinach, coriander, tulsi. All these plants are called herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft green stems. Their stems are not so hard like tree or woody stems like shrubs. They usually grow for 3 to 4 months. That is why they are also known as seasonal plants. Here you can see spinach is there, mint is there, coriander and tulsi, and even grass children are some example of herbs. Now here are the pictures of grapes, bluebells and money plants. As you can see in the picture, they need support to stand. That is why they are called climbers. Why they are called climbers, children? Why they need support to stand? Because the climbers are plants with weak stems. They cannot stand straight and need the support of walls, sticks or other plants to stay up, like grapes, bluebells, money plant. They are the examples of climbers. Now here children, here you can see the pictures of creepers plants. Creepers have weak stems and thin branches. They grow along the ground. They usually bear big fruit like pumpkin, muskmelon and watermelon are some examples of creepers. Now children, water plants or aquatic plants. This is our next topic. Aquatic means water. So aquatic plants, some plants that grow only in water, they are called aquatic plants. They have a long stem underwater. Their leaves float on water, as you can see in the picture. They are water lily, lotus, water hyacinth are some example of aquatic plant, as you can see in the pictures. Now children, come to the parts of a plant. We have divided plants in two parts so that you should be able to understand. Root part and shoot part. Root part, we will talk about only root. As you can see, root usually grow under the ground. They fix the plant to the soil. They take water and minerals up from the soil. Then come to the shoot part. Shoot part, we will talk about first stem. Stem supports the plant. It takes food and water to all the parts of a plant. Leaves, flowers, buds and branches grow from it. from stem. Then come to the fruit. Fruits store food in them. Many fruits are sweet and juicy. They have seeds inside them. Seeds grow into new plants. Then come to the leaf. Leaf make food for the plant. Most leaves are green in color. Then we have flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. It turns into a fruit. Okay, children? So, this part of a plant you have to draw in your EVS copy. Now, children, let us recap once more the different parts of a plant. First is root, then stem, flower, fruit, leaf. Okay? I hope, children, you have understood all these topics about the plants, means types of plants and parts of plant. So, children, plants are very important for us. We should grow more and more plant to save our Mother Earth. Till then, be happy and may God keep you in good health. Thank you.